Hi everybody, it's the Hitman again. Hope you're all keeping well. Just thought I'd show you the stuff that I take with me when I go ratting. The missus helps me put it in the car and she keeps saying to me, do you need all this? Well, I'll talk her through it and tell her, because she doesn't know what it is. So I'll talk you through it. So basically, there's me topping up bottle. I've got a 14 litre tank in the bedroom. I'd take that with me just in case I need to refill the gun. Because sometimes with an FAC, if you're having a good night FAC, you don't get that many shots out of it. So it's always handy to have. And I take my death grip. That's my death grip tripod. That's a good one. Much better for the rimfire really because it's got a longer stock. And I got my gym shocky. They've just gone up to £313. Just priced it. There you go, nicely in that little bag there. Now we're on the table here. I've got a nice headlamp. That was from Amazon. 30 quid. It's absolutely brilliant. It's got 3 1850 batteries in it. It's really good. Assortment of torches. And that hat there was from Home Bargains. £4.99 I paid for that. You press it. Yeah, different lights. 3 different settings. It's brilliant for walking around the farm because you don't go far. And then I've got my Hick Micro Thermal spotter. And over here I've got my Pulsar. This is the first one I had, my Pulsar XM22, which comes with a nice little bag. Unfortunately, I think it's a bit naughty. Hick Micro, they said virtually the same price. I mean, the Pulsar was a few years old, but basically the same price, comes with a bag and everything. You don't get a bag with the Hick Micro. So I went to my local photography shop, and the lady said, I've just sold the thing you want to, because I took my Hick Micro with me. She said, I'll go and have a look upstairs, and she gave me that lovely bag there. It's brilliant. Get the batteries and everything in it. Then I've got an assortment then of everything there, batteries and stuff like that, gloves. When you're looking about with rats, picking them up, gloves. I'm talking about picking them up. There's my bucket with me, again, Home Bargains picker-upper. The litter picker, brilliant. I always keep a bit of bag around it so I don't actually touch where the rats are being. I put it in disinfect them when I come home. And then over to there's the bit that does all the damage, the FAC rated Wildcat. 530.4 at the moment. So yeah, basically that's what I take with me. So there you go. I'm going to put a video up soon about a few more good nights I've had. So just checking the footage yesterday. So there we go. Hope you enjoy. 23. Dead rat. Yards. What a shot! That is one dead rat. What a beautiful shot. They're big rats today. Here we go. He's dead. That rat there, look. One dead rat. There he is, dead. There's a few about tonight. There's a helicopter twitter. Always handy just fucking load at you prick. Easy enough, he's gone. He's gone straight through it. There he goes, doing the dance. He's gone. Dead. It's a big bug. It's a big bug of this. There's a nest here, look. I'm going for that one at the back. 33 yards. Shoots it straight through his arse. I think I missed that. I bloody missed that. Hold on. It might come out. Oh yes, he's dead. What a shot. There he goes, jumping about, look. Two rats in quick succession, that's good. That was a good shooter. Right in their face. Not like Vienna. See that rat there? 33 yards, let's give it a go. Yeah, got it, lovely shot. There you go. Dead rat. "15 yards. He's dead. He's dead. Big rat there, 19 yards. Oh, he's gone. Dead. Bye bye. Concrete bus stop. Dead rat. "27 yards. That's dying. There it goes, dead. It's baby rat. 27 yards. Dead. That's a dodo. Double check it. 32 yards. Dead rat. Lovely. Here's the third. Dead rat. "22 yards. Ooh, what a shot. I know I keep saying that, but that was a very good shot. Knocked it dead. Ooh. Yards. Ooh, what a shot. I'm sorry for saying that, sorry. What a shot. They are good shots though, aren't they? Bigger there. 25 yards. He's dead. There he is. 16 yards. He's dead. He's well dead. A big rat there. On the yards. Oh shit. He's dead.